Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing my favorite Budin Salvadoreño or Salvadorian type bread pudding. When it comes to Panama, you can consider this Mamallena's cousin. So let's begin. So I'm starting off with my bread. I bought a family size or full loaf because I couldn't find anything smaller. This has about 23 slices, but we're only going to need 12 for this recipe. So I'm going to place these 12 slices in my bowl, and then I'm just going to start to tear them up into about small to medium size pieces. I only need this much bread because I'm going to be using two 8-inch glass molds, but if you're going to use a bigger one, then I suggest you use the full loaf, the full 23 slices. I'm going to add 1 liter of milk, which is about roughly 4 cups, and I'm using evaporated milk because I want the creamy taste of it, but you could use whichever milk you like. Next up, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized eggs to my batter, and I'm also going to add half a stick of melted butter. I'm using salted, but you can use without if that's what you prefer. Next up, I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a cup of golden raisins. After that, I'm going to be adding 1 banana, or 2 small ones depending on the size, and I'm going to be adding 1 medium-sized apple. I'm using Gala, but you could also use Granny Smith or Delicious, any one you like. I'm now adding in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, which I have pre-mixed with 1 teaspoon of milk, and now I'm adding my last ingredient, which is 1 cup of condensed milk. I'm adding it in half by half because I want to make sure that I don't oversweeten my batter. And that's it. Now we just have to mix everything up and make sure that everything is well incorporated. I'm going to put a lid on this and refrigerate it overnight. Or what you can do also is refrigerate it early during the day and then bake it in the evening. So now it's the next day. I have already preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. I have buttered up my molds. As you can see, the one that I'm using is an 8-inch square mold. And now I'm just going to pour in the batter that I have been refrigerating since the day before. I have my 2 beautiful budins being ready to be placed in the oven. The batter is a little bit lumpy, so don't worry about that. It's going to be in the oven for a little bit less than an hour, something around 45 to 50 minutes, but I am going to run the clean knife test. If I insert the knife and it comes out clean, it is ready. No more than 1 hour. And voila, here we have our beautiful Salvadorian budin. Fun fact, once the bananas that are inside the batter start to cook, they turn purple. So don't be surprised, don't be scared if when cutting your budin, you see purple bits and pieces. That's actually the banana. I like to have my budin cold, so what I do is after taking it out of the oven, I wait until it cools down and then put it in the refrigerator. If you like it warm or hot, it all tastes good. I am back with my trusty volunteer, and he's going to try the budin, and he's going to let me know in 3 words what it tastes like.
It's really soft, it's moist, and it's delicious.
Okay, so I passed the taste test again. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. And until next time, I'm going to be making more delicious videos of Panamanian food and Salvadorian food. So bye!